Welcome to Ohio Design tutorial. First we are going to select the rectangle marquee tool and set the feather to 5 pixels. It is important that you do this step because we do not want any hard lines when working with water. Next, make sure you have the background layer selected and draw a box. We are going to set our waterline to the fetlock. So that's how high our box is going to go. Next, we're going to go edit and copy. And then we're going to create a new layer and call it water. And we're going to paste into this layer the water. Next, we are going to lower the opacity a bit. This changes depending on how much you can see the riverbed, the clarity of water, and a myriad of other factors. We're going to bring this up to about around the 50% mark. Next, we're going to bring in a ripple from DeviantArt. And then we're going to zoom in after we name the layer, of course. It's very important that we name layers. We're also going to bring up the opacity of our water layer so we can see what we're doing. Next, we're going to get the edit free transform, making sure to hold the shift key. We're going to set down our ripple, make it a little bit smaller, and we're going to position it again. Now we're going to apply this. You can do that by pressing return or any of the tools to the side. Next, we have our move selected, and we're going to duplicate the layer a couple of times. It's important to have an individual layer for each leg at this stage of the move. Now you may be wondering why I've chosen ripples and not splashes. That's for a pretty simple reason. This source is not moving and the water is not moving. Therefore, there is no actual reason for there to be splashes. There would be ripples. That's one of many factors that people get wrong when they do this. They think splash brush will be more than sufficient enough to get them through. Now that's done, we're going to turn off the other layers and finish positioning this one. Then we're going to take a soft edge eraser brush and carefully brush a little bit in front of the hook as well as clean around the edge of it. We do this for two reasons. One, so the ripple looks like it's going around the hook, around the leg instead of just sitting on top of it. And the other reason why we do this on the back feet is so that the ripples don't interfere with one another. Front ones, we're just going to do a little bit around the leg to make it more rounded. And you can already see how much of a difference that is making. Now we are going to merge these layers and zoom out. Once we put the opacity level back in our water layer. Now we are zoomed out. We are going to select all of our force prep layers, duplicate them and merge them. I never ever merge my original prep layers. I always keep them and we're going to move this layer to the top of our work here, and we're going to go transform, flip, vertical. And we're going to move the horse to the water line, not where the ripples are. Reflections are on top of everything, including ripples. So keep that in mind. Now that's done, we are going to go filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and 1.6. We're going to lower the opacity. This is where I would normally stop with a manip on still water, but this one has existing ripples in it, so I'm going to go filter, distort, ripple, and use the default settings to bring in ripples. I don't normally do this, it just depends on the background. And voila! You are done! It is now ready for text and other things. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learnt something, and good luck in your future endeavours. HP.